Richards Majestic Studios. Call you back in a few with the dates. Always security at the studio, so figure out how to get on set without attracting too much attention. You see any extra costumes you could put on? See if they got a staff uniform or something, like a caterer or a technician. That'll help you get through security, but hey, you know what? Dressing like you're here to shoot Masquerade Murder Party would probably get you all the way on set and be the most fun. We should try to find a film schedule so we know exactly where to look for Cleo. There should be a copy in one of the actors' trailers. I think they call them call sheets. Nope, she's not on this one. Try another trailer.
Hey, dude, what's going down?
I don't see her on here. Must be for a different movie. Hell yeah! We know when Cleo's gonna be on set. Now, we just need a way to unlock the stage door. So you're not gonna be able to get on set without access to the stage door. But I'm 95% sure one of the big exec guys will have an extra key card in their office. We're in business, baby! Show business! Let's hit that stage! Okay, the call sheet says this is the big masquerade murder scene, so everybody's gonna be in masks. It'll be tricky, but Cleo's in there somewhere, so just find out which one she is. And hey, don't be afraid to threaten these people with the little hardware. Don't want them thinking you're just acting.
Oh shit.
Listen, partner, you think you could do me a favor? I forgot to get Mama a birthday present, and she goes nuts for the old-timey movie stuff. If you bring back something cool from the studio, I'll boost your cut of the bounty. But this stays between us, all right?
Okay, I got this. Just gonna get into character as a tough, prison-hardened lady thug. Yeah.
Nice work, partner. I'm gonna try and get a selfie with her before she really starts crying and shit.